How's it going, guys? We're back with another video today. It is Saturday. I'm gonna be putting on my side skirts today because my car really needs them. We complained about it on the last video, and well, I'm getting a handle today. So right now I'm about to head to my shop and slap these things on. I'm sure it's not gonna be too easy of an install. They are universal from Aero. I just measured them out. I'm gonna be test fitting my wheels today, but I don't know, maybe I want to make it a surprise for you guys, so I'm not gonna, I might show you it, I might not, we'll have to see. Alright, let's get going. So one thing I'm really excited about is I just ordered my BC coils for this car, and I'm kind of, you know, cruising out here in my back roads, and man, I can tell that it needs it. We have lowering springs on it. I bought it with lowering springs, and you know, I got nothing against lowering springs for your daily driver, but they do not offer very good performance from what I'm feeling. Like it's got some bounce to it. Every time I'm hitting a bump like that one, it bounces a little bit more than I'd like it to. So when we get these coils on, man, this thing's gonna feel pretty dialed. Alright guys, so made it to the shop. I got the side skirts out, but I guess first things first, I'll see what my new wheels look like. Alright, so I got it up in the air. I'm test fitting the side skirts right now by Aero. These are universal side skirts, but literally they are perfect. Like there's nothing wrong with them. I am super happy with them. I'm gonna get them bolted up now. Also, my new wheels do not fit in the front. They're hitting off the caliper, so we're gonna be running a spacer, which is fine because I did get them in a 35 offset, so I can put a spacer on and still be all right. Something I want to recommend before you put these on, take a look at your side skirts. Make sure you're not missing any clips. Like these ones, I was missing one in the back, but it's hidden. But I got it all handled now, so now I can get these bolted up. Alright, got the first one on. Looks pretty crispy. It was, like I said, it was much needed. It really completes that Aero rear diffuser. So I guess now we'll get the second one on. Alright, just getting the second side skirt on the passenger side fit up. I'm trying to get as close to this wheel as I can from here. And that's very close. I like that. I think it's gonna look good. Right now I'm just reusing the masking tape that they had on these to keep them together, hold them up. It's kind of what the second one's gonna look like. Let's start getting it bolted up. Well, that was actually perfect timing. As soon as that time lapse ended, I got done. At least mocking them up. 2 here, 1 there. I gotta get 1 there, but I just can't fit anything there, and I'd like to get 1 here. I've been trying to, but it's just not enough room to get my gun up in there. So I'll have to take it down, jack up this jack, and put 1 there. Try and put 2 here, and then 2 here, 2 there. So that means I'll probably actually do 2 there as well. And then that'll be done. All right, final reveal. Ta-da! Nice. Hell yeah, that looks pretty. So in case anyone wants to do this themselves, all I did to install this was I used a 1/8 drill bit, and then the screws and washers they provided. And that's about it. You just start lining this all up and installing it. It looks a million times better. I'm gonna black out the lip real quick and then do a shoot. Salt on it already, but I'm in awe of how good this looks. Like it works great. Can't get over it. Yeah, eventually I am. Got the lip blacked out now. What I do? We put some back to black on the lip, and then I installed these puppies here to complete the look. So you see this line, it follows all the way down through and all the way back. It just really completes it. Well, here she is, man. Side skirts are absolutely amazing, especially on this beautiful day. Just chilling out here. I wanted to stop, make sure everything was a-okay before I kept driving. I guess I can't turn back anyways. I'm on a highway, and the next exit is literally my house. Oh man, I just can't get over how much that completes the look. It looks so good. It's dirty though. It's always dirty. It's a black car on a highway. What am I gonna do? We tried taking off these louvers here, and they're actually Velcroed on, and there's a very disgusting design, some American flag design on there that I didn't feel like using that stupid, like, it's not stupid. I think American flags on quarter windows are like cool and all, but this one is very dumb. And I just didn't feel like cutting it, so we're gonna leave the louvers on for a little longer. It's not that I don't like them. I personally don't mind them. They match my hood vents. So, yeah. We'll take them off when we actually have it wrapped. I can't wait. The paint on this car is just not holding up to its time. It is Ford paint, and it is scratched, man. This thing was buffed last year, and it just, I hope the camera isn't picking up how it looks in person. I'm not complaining though. I love this car. It looks fantastic. All right, I'm going home. Alright, so they are fully on. I want to put one more bolt in the middle of that one. You're not going to be able to see it, to my knowledge, at least not in the light. It just sags a tiny bit in the bottom, so I'm going to get that handled. I like them nice and flat. They're perfect, man. I mean, shout out to Street Aero for literally sending me universal splitter kit, and it'd be this perfect. It completes the car fully. It looks so much more car-like now. It was just, there's the one piece it really needed, man. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. First install in the car, so that was fun. Got a lot more installs to do this year for sure. We're gonna be busy. Yeah, let me know if you like that time-lapse stuff. I think I'm gonna keep doing that for like my installs. I don't like videos where a guy's just turning his wrench like a bunch. But there's always gonna be some in here. I am a car guy and I do work on my car. I do all the work on my car, so yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of this one. Thank you for watching. Thank you a bunch for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. I'm just being a YouTuber. Take it easy.